Hey there, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Rechargeable Keychain Flashlight. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this okay. It is in a small box. This is the M300 from the company Zixear. Z-I-X-E-A-R. Is a 5 volt, 500 megaamperes flashlight. Let's go ahead and get it open. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So not too much to show you here. You've got an instruction manual, really just a pamphlet here. And once I get it charged up, I'll turn it on and go through the different light modes. So it weighs literally nothing. It's designed to go on a keychain, so the fact that it doesn't have any weight is good. Now it is rather large, so if you're putting it in your pocket, you're going to feel it because of the size, but you won't feel it because of the weight. It's got a magnetic base. You can see the chain connect to it. And then it comes with the standard Type-C charging cable, USB Type-C charging cable to charge it up. A clip on the side to be able to clip it on your waist if you want to put it on a backpack, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and once I get it charged up, we'll go through and I'll show you the different light modes. Okay, so I was able to charge the flashlight. The cool thing is when you're plugging it in, it does have a red and green light indicator. So if it's charging, it'll be red. Once it's fully charged, it will show you a green indication letting you know it's charged. I wanted to turn it on so you can see the different modes. So basically, when you want to turn it on, you're just going to double click the power button. That will turn on the flashlight, and then if you double click it again, it basically switches the modes. You can see right now I've got the regular flashlight on, but if I double click it, well, yeah, there we go. It'll switch to a mode down here where instead of a flashlight, you've got more of a beam. And then within this, you can simply press and you have different options you can choose. So it's changing colors. I don't know if you can see, that's blue, red, blinking red, basically for distress, stuff like that. Blue and red, and then single white, so on and so forth. If I double click again, it'll put it back in flashlight mode. And then once you're in flashlight mode, you can simply just click to go through the different modes. So there's a low, medium, high, super bright, and then back to low. And then when you want to turn it off, you just simply press and hold the power button. That will turn the whole flashlight off. Anyway, I hope that gives you an indication of what the different modes look like.